They say if it bleeds, it's alive, and God created all of us. But right now, at this point in time, I'm feeling discarded. As the sun hits the shades and tiger strikes my nightmares, I find it all the feelings I've been searching for are right here in the moment. Look into my soul, break that boundary that's impounding me to forfeit what I hold and move past it. I keep my dreams wrapped in plastic, retract my past steps to catch it with my last breath. So, who wants to know what it's like? Wants to feel the things I touch and wipe the blood off of my life? Cause it's all broken bones here, open wounds that don't heal, choking on my own fears, drowning in my own tears. Human, and that's the way that I'll remain. Fuck fighting my beliefs and limiting what I should say. Fuck standing with my arms out, hoping I'll be saved. And fuck screaming at myself, trying to make it through the day. I write life down, and it's coherent when I speak. Raise the hairs up off the back of your neck like a static clingo. I said if luck was a lady, she'd never let me buy that drink. The time's slipping and my eyes won't blink. And if your guy was a woman, a boyfriend that beat her kids, and I got more scars than teenagers' wrists. And if the time was my father, he was stolen my birthdays, drinking with his friends, and I was hurting in the worst way. And I can say it just the way that I know. They said if pain sticks with you, I'm training to let it go. So hold on to this one and save it for your bad days. Open up that passion and my words will make the glass break. And I don't know if my written words can affect you, but listen to my heart and every single breath I stress through. Come on, this is not an ode to hip-hop. All I'm trying to do is make that quiver on my lips stop and chase out the bad scent. Purpose think he's got me figured to a science now, and I ain't even asked yet. Damn, meet the tread and water champion. The other side of happiness, the most of y'all are standing there. Raise up and try to capture the trust, cause I move with all my passions and extract what I must. And I move with all my people and I act when I must, to take a God honest stab when I'm peeling the rust. Now despite all of my efforts,